Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So today I am making this photo frame. My friend Priyanjali asking me to do this for a long time. So let's get started. We need a piece of fabric, cardboard, scissor, colorful papers, knife, glue, pencil. Photo of course. First, I mark the cardboard and place your photo in the middle, mark it. Then take 0.5 cm smaller than the photo and mark it. The measurement of the size depends on you. I take 4.5 cm. Let's cut this portion out. So here it is. I cut this middle portion with knife and the outer sides with scissor. I also cut another piece of cardboard 0.5 cm bigger than the photo. I'm gonna attach this in the back of the frame. Now I am covering up the frame with fabric. Measure and mark inside. Next, measure the side and just like this, mark it on the fabric. Do exact same for all the sides. Also, I mark the inside where I wanna cut the fabric. Now just cut everything with a scissor. Add the glue and stick the fabric to the frame. If the inside edges are little uneven like mine, then simply add washi tapes or you can decorate it with anything. Remember the little portion? I covered it with blue paper. Now I am adding glue in the three sides. Leave the upper portion where I am going to insert the photo. Before adding glue, cut a little triangle portion because from here I am going to insert the photo or take it out whenever I want. For decoration, I cut some flower from the papers and some butterflies also. Take a pen and fold the paper like this. Next, add them to the photo frame. I just add buttons to the flower. After adding the butterfly, my photo frame is ready. Lastly, I cut a 12 inches cardboard, fold and glue it to make a triangle piece. Then add it to the back of the frame. So let's see the result. This is easy and affordable, so try this and let me know. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. For today, bye bye.